Subject English. Standard 2nd. Hello student, I am Jyoti Singh. Today I am going to tell you a short story. But before I start my story, I would like to ask you some questions. Which animals do you see in your surrounding? Yes, the animals which we see in our surrounding are cat, dog, hen, goat and many more. Which animal likes to drink milk and eat fish? Yes, cat is the animal that likes to drink milk and eat fish. So, today I am going to tell a short story. The Fat Cat. Now, I am going to read a story in front of you. Listen carefully. The Fat Cat. A fat cat met a hen. The cat said, "I can eat you." "You cannot eat me," said the hen. Then the hen ran. The fat cat then met a pig. The cat said, "I can eat you." "You cannot eat me," said the pig. The pig hit the fat cat. The fat cat ran and ran and ran. Now I am going to explain a story. Listen carefully. The fat cat is hungry and looks out for food here and there. Soon the fat cat meets the hen. The fat cat asks the hen if he could eat her as he was hungry. Then the hen replied that he cannot eat her and ran away. The fat cat moved to another place. There he met the pig. He asked the pig if he could eat him. The pig replied that he cannot eat him and attacked the fat cat. Immediately, then the fat cat ran far away. Now I am going to tell meaning of difficult word. Hit. Hit means to attack. Now I am going to ask you few questions. Which are the two animals that the fat cat meets? Yes, the fat cat met two animals. They are hen and pig. What did the fat cat want to do with these animals? Yes, the fat cat wanted to eat these animals as he was hungry. What did the pig do to the fat cat? Yes, the pig hit the fat cat and ran away. Write the rhyming word of the following given below. First, fat. Second, mat. Third, ran. Fourth, hit. Student, can you tell the rhyming word of this word? Yes, fat, cat. Mat, wet. Ran, can. Hit, fit. keyword given in the story. First, a fat cat met a dog or hen. Second, I can drink or eat you. Third, the fat cat ran or sleep. Now it's your homework time. Draw and color your favorite animal. Write 5 lines on it. Thank you.